Hello, I am Akshita Kumbar and welcome back to the Daily News Bulletin of Jagran English. Let's begin with the first big story of the day. President Ram Nath Kovind rejected the mercy plea filed by one of the convicts in the Nirbhaya gangrape-murder case. The Home Ministry had rejected the mercy petition today and recommended the same to President while forwarding it today. Mukesh Singh, one of the 4 death row convicts in the 2012 Nirbhaya gangrape and murder case, had filed the mercy petition a few days ago. The Home Ministry had forwarded the mercy petition of Mukesh Singh to the President earlier today. The Ministry has also reiterated the recommendation of the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi for its rejection. The Delhi LG had sent the mercy petition of Mukesh to the Home Ministry on Thursday, a day after the Delhi government recommended its rejection. The 4 convicts, Mukesh Singh, Vinay Sharma, Akshay Kumar Singh and Pawan Gupta, were to be hanged on January 22 at 7 am in Tihar jail. A Delhi court had issued the death warrants on January 7. However, the Delhi government had informed the High Court during a hearing that execution of the convicts will not take place on January 22 as a mercy plea has been filed by Mukesh. A day after a Delhi court stayed the hanging order of 4 convicts in the Nirbhaya rape and murder case, Nirbhaya's mother broke down amid the ongoing developments, saying that people are playing with her daughter's death for political games. She accused the political parties for delaying the execution of the convicts of her daughter. She said that till now she never talked about politics, but now she said that those people who held protests on streets in 2012, today the same people are only playing with daughter's death for political gains. She also said that she was shocked to hear that Mukesh has approached for a stay. She also reiterated that when the death warrant was announced, they were given 14 days time to appeal for mercy petition. Instead, they approached the Supreme Court to put a stay on death warrant, which was dismissed, but still the execution was delayed. The Congress was in power both Delhi and the centre when the vicious incident happened in 2012. The remarks from Nirbhaya's mother came a day after a Delhi court stayed the hanging order of the 4 convicts. Bhim Army Chief Chandrashekhar Azad today reached Delhi's Jama Masjid after the Friday prayers to participate in the protest against the CAA and NRC. He reached the protest site hours before the court deadline to leave Delhi after being released on bail yesterday. Sitting on the steps of the iconic mosque with protesters, he read out the preamble of the constitution. "I'm following the law and not violating any bail condition," Azad said before he went inside the mosque to pay obeisance. The loudspeakers installed outside the mosque made the announcement that while people should raise their voice against CAA and NRC, there should not be any stone pelting or arson. Earlier in the morning, the Bhim Army chief had visited Valmiki Temple at the RK Ashram Mark before heading to the Jama Masjid. He also plans to visit the Bangla Sahib Gurdwara and a church next to highlight the secular nature of the nation. He has to leave Delhi before 9 p.m. as per court orders. Chandrashekhar Azad was granted bail yesterday by a Delhi court on condition that he would leave Delhi within 24 hours and stay away from the city for 4 weeks. The court also prohibited him of holding any protest in Delhi till February 16. With this, I conclude the Daily News Bulletin for today. We will be back tomorrow with more big stories of the day. You can log on to english.jagran.com to catch all the developments of the day. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Thank you. Goodbye.